Hi, my name is Fomenki Polafaka Foleb, and I've been studying at Primus Learning Cameroon on site for the last 11 months, you could say. And the experience for me at Primus Learning has been encouraging. It's been challenging because it's tech, it's a lot of tools. I took up the course DevOps, and it's been really challenging. But with the community, with my classmates and the teaching staff, it's been not impossible to accomplish. So I'm really excited, and it's you taking up something and daring to start and then complete, and you've come a milestone, and there's more to go, because of course learning doesn't end, and that's what is instilled in us at Primus Learning, the attitude of continuous learning and support with everyone around you, knowing that even when you have a challenge, it's not just you, another person is having the same challenge, so you're talking and sharing, and then you're getting a solution to it, and it makes you feel comfortable and confident that you can get it done because someone else got it done and you too can get it done. And so if you're thinking you want to try something new, if you're thinking you want to engage in something adventurous, challenging, and taking up that task to dare into a tech space, Primus Learning is the right place for you to be at. It's the right place for you to get a community that will support you all through the way, right up to the time you get your first job, right up to your first interview, and all the way, even doing work experience, because we have the strategies in place here to help you throughout the whole process and getting you right to the end. So it's a place to be at. It's a community of professionalism, relevance, and committed work that we're adaptable to the changes in the tech space, and knowing that we can get better and better as we learn and delving together in our tech role. Thank you again. You're gonna choose Primus Learning because it's the right place for you to be at. Thank you.